Hey everyone, this is 3D Dave with a new quick fit, and on today's quick fit we have an unboxing. I bought a breadboard for an Arduino or whatever project on Wish, and it arrived. So here it is. It is unpacked, so I don't have a clue what's in here. Well, I do have a clue, but I don't know exactly what is in here. It's a breadboard, cables, and then a power thing supply. Oh, I don't need that. It's empty. So this is the breadboard. You can stick it to something. It's numbered, but they all are. These are my cables. Shorter ones, longer ones to connect pins. And this is the power supply. And it's bent. So as you can see here, you can put it to 3.3 or 5 volts or off. You can put this lane to 5, this lane to 3.3. You can power it over USB, a little on-off switch. And then let's see if we can bend these back. This is how it goes normally. Like this. And like this. You can power them up. You have your plus and your minus here. You can pick them up and then you can connect everything you want. I bought it because I also bought a WeMOS, and with this WeMOS I'm going to try to create a wireless filament sensor. I saw something based on an end switch and a WeMOS that connects wirelessly to your Raspberry Pi and then gives that information to your Pi. It's a project. It's not my strong side, so well, I keep you guys informed. But this, I guess it's working. It came in. It took quite a long time. It took them more than 8 weeks to arrive. It comes with the short connectors, which is always handy, a few long ones. And I ordered it on Wish for about, I think it was 13 euro shipping included. So all in all, I'm quite happy with this. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.